Looks like we got a package from China. Let's check. There we go. Well, let's see what we have coming up. These boards came from Seed Studio. So let's line them up. Okay. First up are my single board computer that I designed for a thermostat. There's a back panel for that thermostat. Okay, this is Rev 3 of the 18650 board. And you notice you get two of them on a panel, and then these break apart. So that's Rev 3. So it holds one 18650 cell. Now there's some additions to this. I added a provision where you can put current limiting resistor and a LED, so you can make this thing into a flashlight. I also added a connector so that you can charge these with a inexpensive little solar panel. This is an interesting experiment. Well, it may be interesting. It might be a good idea to make some kind of adapter. And on this adapter, you can put a connector, and we'll talk about this later. And then last but not least, we have another adapter, and this one will allow you to either plug wires in from for example, a solar cell that just has loose wires. You'll be able to solder these on, have a USB connector, and power one of these boards. It also will have a 2.1 millimeter barrel jack connector for standard DC power supplies that you can plug into there and power your USB port from this angle. And this is the a paste mask. It's a solder paste mask for the X6. So where'd that go? Okay, over here. And so that will allow, let's go ahead and line it up. We'll do a video separately on this one idea here. So you line up paste mask like such, and squeegee your paste onto there. Then you place your parts on there, and then you can heat the whole board up at one time and solder the parts on.